Hello, California Federation of Republican Women. This is Assembly Republican leader Marie Waldron, coming to you from behind enemy lines in Sacramento to encourage you as we face one of the most important elections of our lifetime. As a fellow Republican woman, I know the challenges that we all face. Exactly 100 years ago, in the summer of 1920, the 19th Amendment was ratified and for the first time enshrined our right to vote as women in the United States. On this centennial year of women's suffrage, it's now more important than ever that we remember that we as Republican women need to step up, take action, and do the work that needs to be done to make California the Golden State once again. During this challenging time, California needs our leadership, our voice, and our vision more than ever. Despite the challenges that we are facing today, I am happy to report that our party is not just surviving, but thriving and on the path to victory in 2020. Republicans in California were significantly outspent in 2018. We are working tirelessly to close that gap through fundraising. I'm very excited to announce that in partnership with the Senate Minority Leader and the California Republican Party Chairwoman, we have already raised well over $1 million ahead of where we were 2 years ago today. If we continue at this pace, we will have the funds to compete and win in November. We have a wonderful team of candidates, from Congress to the Senate to the State Assembly, ready to take on the Democrats and win for their districts in November. We had a preview of November in 2 special elections held in May for the 28th Senate District and the 25th Congressional District. In both races, the Republican candidate was resoundingly elected. And I'd love to report that in our assembly, we were able to pick up an assembly seat, the first time in almost 10 years that we added to our number in the caucus. Now is the time that we must work harder than ever to fight for California. And I want to challenge you, if you have never knocked on a door, never made a phone call, or donated to a Republican candidate, now is that time. This is one of the most important elections of our lifetime. We as Republican women cannot afford to sit idly by while the Democrats take over and run our state into the ground. Please join me as we take the fight on to reclaim California. Thank you.